This is my channel. It has 1.5 million subscribers and I've been earning my living off it for years, even when it was still much smaller. So I'd like to show it to you as an example of how you can earn income from your educational channel. And we're going to look into different income streams, where the sales are actually coming from, and one tactic I've discovered that allows me to sell more while being less salesy. It's Asiya. Let's get started. Let's begin with income streams. The typical ones include YouTube ad revenue, paid sponsorships, affiliate income when you share a link to a product and someone buys it and you receive a commission. This could be Amazon or some software subscriptions like ConvertKit or VidIQ. Of course, you may have income from selling your own products and services. These could include physical products, and for educational channels, personal consultations, online courses, masterminds, or membership programs. I find that for me, two income streams work best. The first is YouTube ad revenue. On a regular month, my channel gets somewhere between 1 and 1.5 million views on long-form content and about 2 million views on shorts, bringing in about $2,500 every month. My affiliate income is insignificant. I used to have sponsorship revenue in the past and I worked with some of the largest companies in my niche, but then I decided to stop doing it. What I discovered with time was that each sponsorship takes a lot of time and effort and can get pretty stressful at times. And the reward simply wasn't worth it for me in comparison with promoting my own online courses. And that's where the bulk of the revenue comes from. Investing time in creating them is really one of the best decisions I've made in my business. There are different types of online courses, from low-ticket DIY products where students simply gain access to pre-recorded lessons, teaching them how to develop a certain skill on their own, to highly curated cohorts with personalized feedback and either group or individual coaching. These programs can cost thousands of dollars, but also require much more effort for each enrolled student. In my business, the most popular bundle costs $55. The delivery is fully automated, so the number of students we enroll is only limited by how many people we convince to enroll. This business model is sometimes referred to as passive income. And while it's true that my time and revenue are not directly linked, I can take, let's say, a week or even a month off and still generate the same revenue. It's not exactly passive. There is a lot of work involved in running the business, but it is highly scalable. Over the years, I tried different ways to convert my YouTube viewers into paying customers, and some work so much better than others. Let me show you what we use today. At the top of the funnel, almost all the traffic comes from organic views on YouTube. We do publish some TikToks and I actually have 500,000 subscribers there, but its overall impact on my business is really small. No Instagram, no Twitter. In some of my YouTube videos, I use direct promotions where I tell my viewers about my courses and encourage them to enroll. This is the shortest path from a video view to a sale. However, it's only worth doing in some videos and not in others, but let's come back to it later. Most of the videos don't contain any promotions and instead direct viewers to complementary materials on other platforms. These can be free lead magnets or PDF guides, or an invitation to join our Telegram channel, which is a large chat where we share extra materials. When someone downloads our PDF guide, they also answer a question about whether they would like to start receiving our emails with more information and special promotions. So only those who say yes get subscribed to our email list. It's something you must do if your customers are based in the EU or the UK to be compliant with what's called the GDPR rules. But I also find it highly useful because if someone doesn't want to receive my emails, I don't want to send them either. For one thing, if a lot of people don't open your emails, it hurts their deliverability. But also, you pay for every 1,000 email subscribers and costs quickly jump up. A list of 10,000 subscribers will cost you around $100 per month. I have around 100,000 people on my list and pay around $1,200 per month. So I don't want to pay more for people who don't even want to receive my emails. Coming back to the funnel, all our extra content outside of YouTube contains cost promotions. For example, at the end of our free PDF guide, there is always a call to enroll. And we run promotions in emails and on Telegram. From all these platforms, we own our audience only on two, the email list and Telegram. I mean, that's where we can reach out to them when we want without relying on the social media algorithm to serve our content. I think what Rena Ritchie, our YouTube creator liaison, said really demonstrates this point. YouTube doesn't push your content to viewers. Instead, it polls videos for each viewer. It means each viewer gets the best experience on the platform, but you can never be sure who's going to see your post or video. So having other platforms where you can contact the audience when you want is important. I mentioned before that for me, it's worth putting promotions in some videos and not in others. Some convert really well, while others just fall on deaf ears. And that's because different videos on YouTube should have different goals. All educational videos can be broadly divided into three categories. For some of them, the main goal is to reach a wide audience and gain a lot of views. So the topic should have a wide appeal and be relatively light, such as tips or general how-tos. There are also videos created to promote engagement and deepen the relationship with the audience. That's where you share your own experiences and stories. The third category is videos that convert. These are in-depth videos about the main problems which content is closely aligned with the course material. So they tend to get fewer views but more conversions. And I mean not only the conversion rate, but the sheer number of sales. And it's important to remember why you're creating a certain video, because getting fewer views doesn't mean the video is a failure. Maybe it's doing incredibly well converting people, but it doesn't attract new viewers to your channel. And that's fine. But in reality, it's not always easy to say which promotion is going to work well. When I started tracking my conversions, I was in for a real surprise. Some of my worst watched videos were some of the most profitable ones. And some lighter videos with a wide reach converted very well too. But others didn't convert at all. For example, these videos were all published the same month, but the revenue varied between $15 and $1,700. And the most profitable out of them is actually the most recent one. So I highly encourage you to track your links. To do that, we use Bitly. When you're creating a short link, add the UTMs. For example, source, YouTube, medium, referral, campaign, enter your video number, lesson 237. And when you go to Google Analytics, you can see how many people bought your products from the campaign called Lesson 237. Once you start tracking your conversions, you'll see what works better and what kind of promotions your audience likes, and whether to promote your paid content or your free content because that's what your audience wants at that particular moment. We use quite a few platforms in our business, and you might wonder why, if all the traffic is ultimately coming from YouTube, couldn't we just convert people on YouTube? Well, let me show you. Basically, over a third of our course sales come directly from YouTube. Another third comes from email, Telegram, and PDF guides together. The remaining third is direct and organic traffic. Basically, these are people who come directly to our website. They either type the URL or search for it. They don't need links. They've already had so many touch points with the business through YouTube, email, Telegram, and so on, that they go directly to our website to make a purchase. So almost all our traffic originates from YouTube, but only 1/3 of sales happen there. And this shows how important it is to work with your YouTube viewers further to convert them into paying customers. I know you might have been waiting for exact numbers, and revealing them would give me a chance to call this video How I Make on YouTube. But the truth is, I still don't feel comfortable sharing my income publicly. And I do admire people who do, like Thomas Frank, who made over $1 million from his small new YouTube channel. And he abandoned his channel with 3 million subscribers along the way. Curious how it all happened? Watch this video here. And thank you so much for watching me today. Have a great day. Bye.